Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to make chana dal fry. So for that I have taken this 1 cup of chana dal which I have soaked in water for 3 hours, and you can see it has double in quantity now. And we have taken about 1 cup of chopped onion, half cup of tomato chopped, 1 small piece of ginger I have crushed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of garam masala, and oil for cooking. So first I am going to heat oil. So here I have taken about 1 tablespoon of oil. To this first I am going to add this jeera and curry leaves. Then this crushed ginger, sauté it for a minute. Now add this chopped onion. Fry this till it become translucent. So now I'll add this tomato. And all this masala. And cook this till the oil separates from the masala. The masala is done now. Now I'll add this soaked chana dal along with water. And then I will pressure cook this until 4 to 5 whistles on a high flame. So here our chana dal fry is ready, and this can be served with rice, roti or chapati.